After COVID and all, I started my passion as a makeup artist. So for me, my core is of contribution. I like to contribute to people's life, and that is how it makes me satisfied. So one thing I would like people to understand is makeup ही तो है, सिर्फ makeup ही तो करना है. But behind being a makeup artist, there is a lot of study.
Welcome back to Dil Se Duniya Tak Talk series by Baksa Tales, where we uncover journeys of incredible change makers who are shaping lives using passion and purpose. Today we are sitting down with Namita, who is the powerhouse behind Namita's Makeup Studio and Academy, where every bride is a pride and every student is a spark waiting to shine. From brushes to breakthroughs, she's had an incredible journey. Are you ready to be inspired?
Hi Namita.
Hi Pujita.
Today we're here to talk about what you do, your story, and your impact. What led you to start your makeup studio and academy?
So what happened is after COVID and all, I started my passion as a makeup artist. But I also felt that not only keeping it to me, I can also empower many women to taking in this as a career, because many of the women are not that educated. They are doing household work or some other work. So there is no education required as per se कि postgraduate होना चाहिए and all this for being a makeup artist. So I thought it is a skill-based industry, so I can teach many women and empower them to become independent, and financially they can be secure as well.
That's such a wonderful thought, and for you to go out of your way to provide some kind of opportunities that not all people get, right?
Right.
And why is helping others find their identity and independence so important to you?
So for me, my core is of contribution. I like to contribute to people's life, and that is how it makes me satisfied as a human being that I am doing something worthwhile.
Lovely. What's one thing you wish more people understood about makeup and beauty education?
Uh, can you come back on that?
Of course. What's one thing you wish more people understood about makeup and beauty education?
Yeah, so one thing I would like people to understand is everyone takes it lightly that makeup ही तो है, सिर्फ makeup ही तो करना है. But behind being a makeup artist, there is a lot of study about the skin, about the products, about the ingredients, what goes in the products and all those things. Because you have to choose those things according to the skin. अगर मैंने कुछ गलत लगा दिया, your skin may break out. So there is a lot of study which goes behind being a makeup artist, and there's a lot of struggle as well being a makeup artist, because you have to maintain many of the timings and all of the brides and all those things. So it's a long journey.
People have this misconception about makeup ki koi bhi kar lega, as you say.
Yes.
And sometimes it does suit them and their makeup type, but not everybody can become a makeup artist just by learning and all. It takes a lot of skill, a lot of patience, and a lot of study, research when it comes to
One thing which is plus point for me in this is I'm a science background person and I'm a pharmacist by education.
Oh wow!
So I know the ingredients, what goes in the makeup, and that is why it has made me easy. And I teach my students like it is a science which is behind the makeup.
Right. Lovely. Can you share one story of transformation that moved you deeply?
I have to think about that.
You can think about.
So there was like 2-3 incidents were there. The girl was pretty dusky and her skin was not very in a proper condition. It was very breaking out and all those things. But once, and she was very skeptical about how the makeup will turn on, because in a wedding also it was not that great. It all had cracked and all those things, and it was her baby shower makeup. And when we did her makeover, she was like, "इतना अच्छा तो मैं wedding में भी नहीं दिखी." And she was like, 12 hours my makeup was like that only till I come home. And she was so happy कि thank you for the makeover. इतना अच्छा तो मैं जिंदगी में नहीं दिखी.
That's a lifetime client for you, na?
Yes.
That's such a lovely experience. And let's start with a rapid fire round.
Yes.
Your story and your swag. Red lipstick or nude gloss? What's your go-to?
A nude gloss.
If makeup were a superpower, what would yours be?
Mine would be flawless nude.
No clean girl makeup?
Clean girl, flawless nude, dewy, glass skin.
Lovely. One makeup trend that should never make a comeback.
Bright, bold colors and the big Brazilian eyes.
I mean, that got trending recently though.
Yes.
Beautiful Latina makeup.
Yes.
What is your proudest bride moment?
Proudest bride moment is when my brides look their best and they are grooms, when they see them, the first look, and they start crying looking at each other, that is my like very treasurable moment.
Yes.
And after that, the feedback which they give, that thank you so much, like it's like I've accomplished something and I've contributed in their big day.
What is one beauty myth you wish people would stop believing?
A beauty myth I would say is not focusing on skincare. Only makeup will not do anything. Your skin should be nice so that makeup will look nice.
Yes, yes. What's your top tip for beginners in makeup?
For the beginners in like for the self makeup or the makeup artist, yes.
Let's do both.
Okay. For the self makeup, I would say that at least every girl should know how to look put together. So
Very
basic grooming आना चाहिए.
जी.
And for makeup artists, I would say that practice a lot. How much you practice, your skill will enhance and
Right.
the speed will enhance, and you will understand different skin, how to work on each and every skin. So
Very
practice.
What's one product you never leave the house without?
My lipstick.
What's your favorite part about doing bridal makeup?
The satisfaction which I get that I've contributed to their big day.
Lovely.
And the glow I see on the face.
What is a makeup fail that turned into a learning moment for you?
Makeup fail वैसे तो कोई हुआ नहीं.
That's a bold statement. One celebrity you'd love to do makeup for?
One celebrity.
Could be anybody.
So I'm in talks with a Marathi celebrity.
Lovely.
Urmila Nimbarkar.
Are we going to hear about it soon?
Yes. So I would love to. I'm just waiting to do a makeover.
Lovely. Early morning bride or late night glam? What do you enjoy more?
Both are in that, but early morning.
Early morning. What's your biggest inspiration in the beauty world?
Biggest inspiration. I have not looked up to someone, but I believe in myself. I take from everywhere and turn it into my signature style.
Lovely. What do you tell students when they feel stuck or overwhelmed?
So I tell them that it is not an easy thing. It's a roller coaster. You have to
Right.
believe in yourself. Practice, 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 and that is how
Practice
you go
is the
ahead.
key for
Yes.
this. Finish the sentence. Beauty is.
Beauty is lot of things which goes inner,
Yes.
which shows outside, and also it is like self care and self love which you show on your face.
It shows a lot. Right?
Yes.
Jitna you take care of your skin, your
Yes.
face just glows,
Glows.
that much. What's next for Namita's Makeup Studio and Academy?
So next step would be a chain of franchisee of salons, and many things in the pipeline. Let's see.
Please, we should be the first people to know.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much for being here today. And
Thank you.
we'll see you soon.
Thank you so
Bye-bye.
much, Pujita. Bye-bye.
Thank you.